Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to convert PDF to Grayscale 2024. So firstly, you have to click on this Adobe Acrobat and open this, and then you have to open your file, PDF file. Then click on Tools, which is top left corner, this one, and you'll find here Print Production. If you don't find, you have to scroll down and you'll find it Print Production. Click on Open. Then you have to click on this convert colors. Click on this, and then you can see this conversion profile, the drop down menu. You have to click on this drop down menu and choose gray gamma 1.8. Now you have to choose this one too, black, preserve black. Now if you want to gray the current page, then click on current page. Then if you want to gray the all page, then click on all. After that, you have to click on OK and click on yes, and your page will be gray like this. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.